In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to win every eBay auction. The method is called sniping, and it's all about placing your absolute maximum bid in the final 5 to 10 seconds of the auction to prevent other bidders from reacting. Done right, this is the simplest, most effective way to win more auctions without overpaying. First, understand why this works. eBay uses proxy bidding, which means you enter your highest willingness to pay, and eBay automatically bids the smallest amount required to keep you in the lead, up to your max. When you submit that maximum in the last few seconds, there's no time for others to raise their bids, so your single final move often locks in the win at the lowest possible price under your cap. Before you bid, prepare. Decide on your absolute maximum number, what the item is worth to you after considering shipping, condition, size, and return policy. Commit to that number. Sniping isn't about guesswork, it's about discipline. Open the listing and review the in time, the seller feedback, photos, and the bid history so you know what you're getting into. Keep the bid box ready and typed in advance. Timing is everything. Sync your clock using a reliable source so your seconds match eBay's countdown. Aim to click, submit around 7 to 8 seconds before the auction ends. That window gives the site time to process your bid without leaving enough time for others to react. If your connection is slower, push it a second or two earlier. If it's very fast, you can wait a bit longer. Avoid refreshing in the final moments. Just watch the timer and focus on that single bid. When it's time, enter your true maximum, not a penny less. Don't try to ladder up in small increments. That only invites counters. Submit once, confidently. If you win, great. eBay will only charge the minimum needed to beat the next highest bidder, up to your max. If someone already set a higher maximum earlier, you might still lose, and that's fine. Your rule kept you from overpaying. A few final tips to smooth things out. Sign in ahead of time, confirm your payment and shipping details, and use a stable internet connection. If you're on mobile, keep the confirm screen primed and practice the timing on a low-stakes auction to build confidence. That's the entire strategy. Prepare your true maximum, then place it in the last 5 to 10 seconds. Master the timing, stay disciplined, and you'll dramatically increase your win rate while protecting your budget.